So here we are in Tampere at Akademy 2010, and I'm with Frank Karlitschek, who gave a talk this year called Unclouding, ownCloud. And Frank, I was wondering if you could start out by just telling us a little bit about the topic of cloud computing in general and why it's so important to KDE.
Sure. I mean, cloud computing is a really interesting topic. A lot of people are using cloud-based applications lately. For example, you use Gmail for your emails, or you use Google Docs for your writing of your documents and stuff like that. So the question is, are desktop applications becoming less relevant in the future? It's of course an interesting topic for KDE because we're doing desktop, free desktop applications, free desktop. So one of the ideas is to build something like called ownCloud. ownCloud is a server companion for KDE applications. This means you can have the benefits of cloud applications, but still use rich desktop applications and have features for sharing applications and versioning of stuff. So you can install your own cloud, which you can run on your own computer, your server, your appliance, whatever you have. And you don't have to give your data to Google or to Facebook. You have everything under your control, but it's easy to share documents and access your documents from all your devices and all the benefits of cloud computing combined with free applications, free desktop applications.
Cool. So at this point in time, I think you just had the release of ownCloud 1.0. What kind of features are in there right now?
Yeah, I mean, ownCloud is a really young project. We started in January this year at Camp KDE in San Diego, where I announced it during the keynote. And we have version 1.0 now, which works. We have WebDAV support. You can mount your cloud from all your devices, from Mac, Windows, Linux, and you can use it also in a web interface if you, for example, from your smartphone. So the basic functionality is there. We also have notifications. Your KDE desktop gets notification if something happening in your cloud, so this all works. But advanced features like sharing documents with other people and automatic versioning of the documents, this will come with the next few releases, but the plan is to release often, release early. So we are already planning and working on version 1.1, which will come in, I think, 2 months.
Cool. So maybe comparing ownCloud to some of the other solutions that are out there right now, such as Dropbox or Ubuntu One, how does ownCloud differentiate itself?
Yeah. The main difference is that ownCloud runs on your own hardware, under your control. Of course, in the future, we'll also be able to rent your own cloud storage from a provider if you want. But it's free software, and you have the server side, which means the control over your data under your control. You don't have to give up rights to Google or to Facebook just because you have to want to share it with your different devices or with your friends. So ownCloud is really having the data under your control. With Ubuntu One, for example, which is also has a free client implementation, but the server is proprietary. So you have to upload your documents, you give Ubuntu the control over your documents, and we don't want this with ownCloud. ownCloud is really your own stuff.
Great. All right, well, thank you for taking the time to do the interview, and I'm sure everyone's looking forward to seeing a lot more from this project. It's moving along quite quickly and looks really exciting.
Thanks for the interview.